Hey guys, I received my new package of CZUR and I go to make the test of my new projector. It's incredible, literally. Have too much options and I go to use it now. Bye. Hey yo, I'm Joseph and it's my new video with the unboxing and test of my new projector CZUR. It's incredible, bro, literally. For your work, for the video conference, for look a new movie. I don't know, it's the best quality and price. Are you tired of meetings drawing in chaos instead of collaboration? With the projector CZUR, you don't need any cables, only Wi-Fi or the StarryHub. Forget about connecting and configuring 1,000 cables.
The StarryHub integrates a 2,200 anti-lumen short-throw projector with a projection range of 30 to 150 inches, a 1008 of HD webcam with a 120 degrees angle and automatic framing, 6 microphones with AI voice technology, and high-quality built-in speakers.
Legacy conference stage is productivity poison until now. This isn't an upgrade, it's a revolution.
CZUR StarryHub 2024, the world's honest, all-in, one smart conference system.
Finally, conference stage adapts to you. Lightning fast boss. Skip the 30 minutes cable tango. StarryHub wakes in 10 seconds.
For the first time, take the clip drop, use the adapter, and connect it to the projector. It pairs immediately. Now, you connect it to your device and it's ready without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth.
AI tracking camera. Watch the magic happen.
When you connect to a video conference, the projector's camera adjusts to the size of the people in the conference room.
Noise cancellation audio. 6 AI mix isolate voice. Silence distractions.
Typing or coughing sounds disappear. Clear audio
with the best microphones for the meetings.
It also has a trackpad that converts into a keyboard and mouse depending on your need. You can also focus the projection from the trackpad and raise or lower the volume.
Quad screen collaboration. 4 screens, zero battles. Cast from Mac, iPad, iPhone, Android and iOS simultaneously.
For example, using the CZUR app, I was able to connect 4 devices at the same time and it looks great. 10-10. With the latest update, you can use the Play Store on your projector.
It's incredible, bro. Wow, quality and price, perfect. I think that is my new best thing in my life, literally, because the projector have all the things for my video conference, for my work, for look one movie with my girlfriend, I don't know, for make works of my university with my friends. It's incredible, it's perfect for you. Click drop, network free casting. You don't have Wi-Fi? Tap once, only one time and cast instantly. No Bluetooth, no drama. With cut to CZUR, share app, transferring files to hub.
It has LAN ports, 2 USB ports, and an HDMI port so you can share your screen however you like. You can also use the trackpad to switch sources and more. And when you're not using it, it goes into sleep mode.
Record any meeting. Training sessions, brainstorms, client pitches, record. Reply and refine. It's so cool. You have all the film in your projector. It's my personal testimonial. Using StarryHub these past weeks, game changer. That AI tracking feels like sci-fi and the audio clarity unreal. It's super cool. It's incredible, bro. For 6 persons in the video conference.
The best way to work as a team, present projects, and do something of quality.
Ensuring a dynamic and engaging meeting environment. Connect effortlessly, eliminating the hassle of tangled cables.
With the best quality projections for your meetings. And setup took some learning. The click drop dongles minimalist, but once running, pure seamless flow. Do you work from home? Do you have a business and want to impress your clients? Do you teach online classes? The CZUR StarryHub is portable, easy to set up, and give you the image, audio, and connectivity quality that would normally require 4 or 5 separate devices. Replace it out. Upgrade smarter. have a perfect camera, a perfect audio, perfect image, cool colors, it's portable, you don't need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, only need the clip drop to share the screen of your iPad, MacBook, iPhone, your Android, I don't know, it's incredible. You have entertainment, you have all the things. You can make Zoom and Teams with the StarryHub. And really, my experience is super cool. I'm really excited, I'm super happy with this projector. If you have questions, please write me down of the video and I'll answer you. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. Comment and subscribe to my channel. I try to show you all the best things and the plus of my projector. Down of the video in the caption, you can look my link with discount to buy the projector and all the information that you need. If you have more questions, please write me on DM on Instagram and TikTok, okay? The best vibe. See you. Bye.